All right, guys, it's a beautiful Labor Day morning. Kind of muggy, but not really bad. We got a hurricane coming in where I live at. Won't be long before it gets here towards the end of the week, anyways. My job, my job requires me to be out and junk like that, so I don't know how much videoing I'll get done this week. Haven't done a whole lot this weekend, been out of town. But anyways, I'm gonna clean up the shop a little bit and try and get some of that junk off my bench over there. And maybe I'll get the rest of this interior wiring harness out, and the brake and clutch pedal, gas pedal. Get the emergency brake assembly out, and might start working on the heater box and all that stuff, getting it out. But anyways, I'll do some cleaning up here, and I'll get back with y'all in just a little bit. All right, so what I'm gonna do right fast is I need to go out here and make sure the generator's running, stuff like that for that hurricane Dorian. But what I'm gonna do right fast is take this dash apart, and I'm gonna label everything. That way I know about where everything goes back in, and that way it'll be easier when I do put it back together. So give me a second, let me get set up, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do there. Alright, that wasn't too bad. I only got teed off a few times, but anyways, these bezels I was going to try and save, but I think you can get when you order this one here was for the wipers, I think. I think you can get the bezels with it, but anyways, they're kind of pitted up anyway, so let's get new ones for it. But I don't know that I'm gonna go back with the plastic piece here. I don't think I'm gonna go back with that. I'm just gonna have a metal dash and put the stuff back in it like it was from the factory. Got to take this bar off, but other than that, the old crap bar. Other than that, it's about done. Anyways, just want to show you that. And like I said, probably gonna do a little bit of prepping for the hurricane that's coming, old Dorian. I'm gonna have to go to work. Probably gone a little bit for that. I hope not, but probably gonna have to be gone a little bit for that. But anyways, there's the dash strip down. I'll see y'all a little later on in the week. What we're doing is taking the brake pedal and the clutch pedal assembly out. Started on it the other night. Run out of time. Trying to get it out. got the brake and the clutch pedal assembly out. And what I like to do is I try to put everything back, you know, nuts and bolts anyways, where it come from. That way when I go to put it back together, I don't have to search for it. And this stuff here I'll probably clean up and put it back together when I start to go back with the firewall stuff. And get the gas pedal out now, and get the emergency brake assembly out. This part right here should be ready to go onto the heater box over there. Alright, we'll talk to y'all in a little bit. This is the interior wiring harness. Showed you on the other video how I labeled everything. That way when I go back with it, it won't be so bad to put back together. Got to take this in here apart, because it's for the windshield wiper motor. And it's it goes through the dash where you can't get it out and keep it together. But there it is. That's the windshield wiper motor. So, alright, got that out. Had to take the brake pedal and the clutch assembly out to get it out, but it's out now, so we'll move on to the heater box now.